YouTube. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to show the address bar at the bottom on the Samsung Internet app for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This will work for the S25 Ultra, S25, and the S25 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to show the status bar at the bottom or the address bar at the bottom on your Internet app for the S25, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do is actually jump into your Internet app. Once you're in your Internet app, what you want to do is hit the menu button at the bottom right of the screen. From there, you want to hit the Settings app to jump into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to look for layout and menus, and then from there you want to hit layout and menus. And then from there, what you can do to toggle the address bar at the bottom is to use the toggle switch there to turn it on or off. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to have the address bar at the bottom for the Samsung Galaxy S25 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.